once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, chicken curry. I've made loads and loads of curries on this channel. Curry and Indian food or spicy food is a big thing for us. Still get quite a lot of emails about people not kind of getting it right, or asking lots of questions. You can do it. This is going to taste great. This is the real deal Indian curry. It tastes delicious and it's not that difficult. Let's go and do it. Okay, so we're going to get started with a pan or a wok or something like that. And in there I've got some sunflower oil. We're going to start off by dropping in some cumin seeds and some green cardamom. I'm now going to lower the heat down. Just let them do their thing in there. They're going to infuse that oil. Simply, we're going to add some chicken parts now. Now I'm using chicken legs, but you could be using any part of the chicken you want. We're going to put these in and we're going to cook them on a kind of gentle heat for about 4 to 5 minutes aside. And as you can see with my chicken legs, I've cut them in half. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. And like I say, on a kind of gentle heat, 4 to 5 minutes each way. Okay, so this chicken has been done for like 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Nice and gentle. I'm now going to add in some fresh curry leaves. Now if you can get these, they are absolutely fabulous. If not, I think you can get them dried. I'm going to turn the heat up to maximum now. Also here you're going to add some garlic and ginger paste. This is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. If you don't have this, then just get some fresh garlic and ginger and chop it up how you want. To that we're now going to add some onion. And with the heat on high, we're going to throw this around in the pan for about 3 to 4 minutes on this, like I say, high heat. This is coming on really nicely. Now, we're going to add some fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy tomato. Get that in. I'm then going to add some fresh chilli. I'm putting mine in whole. You can chop them and obviously put in as many or as little as you like. We're now going to add some curry powder or spices. This is what I always call the big four. Cumin, coriander, chilli and turmeric. Equal parts, is like a teaspoon of each. Now you can be just using a regular mix that you already have, like a kind of mixed curry powder that you have in your cupboard. This always finds to be a bit better. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to cook this. Just going to throw this around for about 3 minutes, stirring all the time. Then we're going to add a lid. And then we're going to leave it for about 5 minutes. What we want is the tomatoes to break down and they will create a gravy or masala for us. We may well add some water, it depends on how juicy your tomatoes are. So just going to cook that for a few minutes, then add a lid, we should get some moisture. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get this lid off here. There's going to be a lot of steam on that. So that's been going for about 5 or 6 minutes. And there we go. Now I don't need to add any more water to that. I mean, that consistency is perfect for me. If you found that your tomatoes hadn't broken down and given off enough moisture, just add some cold water to this and cook it for about another sort of 5 or 6 minutes. Check that for salt. If you wanted, you could put some garam masala powder in at the end, a nice finishing flavour, or some fresh cilantro. I'm going to leave it just like that. Super, super easy. It really is tasty. That was quite easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Lots of Love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?